Nagkatabikan, humulog yung bola. At na-recover, nakuha sa laksak, reverse layup, Season! And here's number 11, kumaldag, spins, tuloy-tuloy, off the glass, bucket for 2. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Batang Pinoy Basketball League 2024 para sa laban ng Car Baguio versus Region 3 Pampanga. And here's Car, pinag-fake si rep, fake. First ball possession, Baguio, Car Region. And here's De Vera, bounce pass. And atake, kicks out sa 3. Bang! First blood, 3 points. And here's Team Region 3 Pampanga. The number 24 to number 27, setting the play. And pass here to number 4, number 24, number 18, number 27, fires off the glass, basket and 1. And here's number 27, Esguera. Pass to number 19, naagawan dito. Number 24, tuloy-tuloy, lays, kinaliwa. Pasok yan. And 8-3 ang score natin. Lamang ang Baguio, floater shot, no good. Putback shot, basket for 2. Esguera. And here's Team Baguio. Picks, 1 bounce, 4-3. Bang! Off the glass. And here's Team naagawan ito, Team Baguio. De Vera, tuloy-tuloy. Fires, basket and 1. Pass to the middle. And here's number 6 for Team Region 3. And here's number 11. Stop pass inside. Reverse layup. Bucket for 2. And here's Car, Team Baguio. Number 28 Season to number 5. Pass back. And drives. Oops. Reverse layup. Grabe namang move ni Season yun. And baseball pass here. Number 2 Exacto. Giaw. Spins. Lays. Season drives, tuloy-tuloy, libreng-libre, Season! Grabing depensa to, ang higpit. Dalawa yung gumagwardya, Number 15, pass inside, lays, no good. Rebound, eto na naman ang bibilis nila. Side step, zumigzag, fires, that move, spectacular move. And here's Car. For the Real Administrative Region, Season. Cross pass, corner. And attacks. Kicks out sa 3. Off the target. Rebound here. And setting the play. Season behind the back dribble. Side step again. Season! Nice move! And here you go, number 11 drives. Tuloy-tuloy pass. Basket and 1. And Season here, attacks again. Season, that move again. And here you go, tuloy-tuloy. Pinasa sa loob, pinabitin, pasok yan. And his Team Cordillera drives, lays. Offensive foul. No basket. Long pass. Nauna, lays up, bucket for 2. And down to 2 points ang lamang mga idol. Shot clock running down to 12. Natapikan. Darden, tuloy-tuloy. Lays. No good. In and out. Put back shot. Still 1 go. And the rebound. At mapupunta ngayon sa koponan ng Region 3. Fires off the window. Bucket for 2. Tie game. And change favor tayo mga idol. Lamang po ang Team Region 3 sa 3. Won't go. Naagawan. Pass inside. Natapikan ulit. At Esguera dito nagmamadali. Bumitbit. Fires off the glass. Up by 4. And number 19 for Team Cordillera. Pass to number 19. Sumalaksak. Natapikan na naman. And number 15 bumitbit. Lays. Bucket for 2. And long pass. Pass to the middle. Pass to the corner. Cross pass. Number 9 pull-up jumper. Bucket for 2. Down to 6. And here's number 11. Kumaldag. Spins. Tuloy-tuloy. Off the glass. Bucket for 2. And a long pass here. Pass to number 24. Fars pinabitin. Basket and one. And use Region 3, number 11. Number 24. To number 18, number 19. Pass back. Drives number 18 to number 11. Fires. Bucket is good. De Vera crosses the mid lane. Bounce pass on the corner. Bounce pass inside. Another extra pass. Spins. Fires. Bucket for two. And here you go. Ginugulo ng dalawa. Natapikan, naagawan. Tatlo laban sa wala. Lays up. Easy bucket. And 37 all. Umasinta sa tres. De Vera. Off the target. Rebound number 1. Pull-up jumper at the mid-range. Bucket for two. And a baseball pass. Sakto yung pasa. Number 24. Drives. Stop. Kicks on the middle. Drives. Spins. Naagawan dito. Pass break. Ayun, nauna ang bilis ni Season. And Season easy bucket. And here's Season. Pass to De Vera. Pass inside. Pass there. Season na libre. Easy bucket. Season. Season for the inbound. Pass to De Vera. Pass back. Season. Takes. Season. Step back. Pass to De Vera. Launches 3. Bang! De Vera. 3 points. At naagawan na naman. And bounce pass. Picks. Clutch. Fire. Pinabitin. Season. And for the backdoor inbound here. Number 24. The bounce pass. And pass to number 24. Drives. Number 8. Pinabitin. Supal palang inabot. And a pass break here. De Vera. Alley-oop pass. Grabe pass. Sakto yung timing. Sakto yung tira. And De Vera. Bounce pass to number 24. Number 19. Pass to the middle. Water left-handed. Saves the ball. And De Vera here. Spins. Fires. De Vera on the spin move. And here you go. Region 3, number 15. Umatake. Reverse layup short. And here's Cordillera. Season. Bumalik. No look pass inside. Fires. Supalpal. Oh, nandun. Save your Season. And number 15 for Region 3. Number 6. Sa gilid. Number 2 pinabitin pa. Nasupalpalan ng konti. Ito number 19. 2 on 3. 3 on 4. 2 on 4. Raise up. Bucket is good. Nagkatapikan. Umulong yung bola. At na-recover. Nakuha sa laksak. Reverse layup. Season. Darden. Drives. Pass. No good. Follow-up shot. That's Castillo. And Region 3 here crosses the mid lane. 30 seconds left. Reverse layup. Bucket for two. And here's Team Baguio. Pass break. Number 15. Drives. Side step plays. Up, in and out and in. Pasok. Number 15. Dribbling the ball. Spin. Drive. Upalpal. And his team Cordillera. Pass on the inside. Fire. No good. Nakagawan dito. All alone. Binit-bit. Easy bucket. And his white team. Umasinta. Pass for number 2. Drive. Pass on the inside. Fires off the glass. Bucket for 2. Galante crosses the mid lane. And 11-point lead sa tres. Bam! Down to 8. And here's De Vera. Pass to the corner, number 28 Season. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound number 14. Nakagawan na naman. And tuloy-tuloy. Side step. Pinasan. Wala. Pero na-recover. Number 8. And sa attack. 5. Baseball pass here. Eksakto yung timing yung pasa. Wild open for 3. Bam! Good. Yes, Team Cordillera naagawa. Number 6. Nabitawan ng bola. Na-recover. Pass on the inside. Sakto yung timing. Reverse layup. Bucket for 2. And De Vera. Long pass on the inside. Naagaw na naman. Behind the back dribble. Pinet ang bigik. Nakasama spin move. Number 11. Pinilit. Foul. And down to it ang Kalamangan. Pass to number 14. Stop. Bounce pass to the middle. Trash. Bounce pass. Corner of the glass. Bucket for 2. And behind the basketball. And De Vera here. Pass to the middle. Bounce pass. Number 40 side step reverse layup. Bucket for 2. Beautiful move. And sharing the play, De Vera. Pass to Season. Step back for 3. Off the target. Ang taas tumalon nun. By Gigi Bucket. Esquera. Esquera ginugulo si Season. Kicks out sa 3. Good. Rebound. Put back shot. Esquera. Basket and 1. 1 minute. 45 seconds left on the final quarter. And oops, almost lost. Recovered. Esquera, tuloy-tuloy. Uy! And the pass break here. And one-on-one. Side step bounce pass. Season, easy bucket. Pass inside. Reverse layup. Ooh, the dish and the finish. Bounce pass. The libre pa. Easy bucket. Congratulations, Car Region Baguio.